Hey guys, so let's discuss on defensive programming. So defensive programming is when you're um, anticipating the error and you try to code based on your anticipation. You try to formulate different probabilities that the error might occur, and then you would try to, create a solution for that. So here's an example which I've already written. So as you can see, this is a request library, and I've imported exceptions. So as you can see over here, there's a certain URL which does not exist, and this would raise an error. So I'll just run it for you. So as you can see, it ran once and it failed. So now let's say for some reason you want to try this URL again a couple of times before it fails. So to do that, let's actually put certain libraries over here. So So I've already installed Tenacity, and I've importing models retry and retry with exception if exception type. So for that, how to use it is basically you have your decorators to be added over here. So as you can see here, if the retry type, if the retry is of exception type of HTTP error, then this would retry. So let's see how it works. So as you can see over here, so this actually retries again and again. Okay. So now for some reason, let's say you do not want to try this infinite number of times, you just want to try it for maybe 3 or 4 times. So for that, what we do is we actually import another module called stop after attempt, and then we add more code into your decorator like this. So this would retry for 3 times, and this would come out after that. So let's run this. See the run thrice and it would come out. So now let's say, either you want to run it thrice, or if there is certain delay. Okay, so if the server doesn't respond for certain time, duration of time, then you want to exit. So you can add that condition as well. For that, you need to import a module called stop after delay in Tenacity. Okay, and then we say whether we can actually add logical operators for stop argument. So this would stop if the delay is more than 2 seconds. So let's say I make it 1 second, and let's say I import time, and then I say time dot sleep of, let's say, 2 seconds. So this should literally run for only once, and it would come out. So let's see. So because this creates a delay of 2 seconds, see, as you can see over here, where did it go? Yeah, it just ran for once and it came out. So yeah, so this is how the defensive programming works, and thank you so much. Bye.